Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to refresh your bedroom, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing the latest master bedroom light color ideas that can make your space feel brighter, bigger, and more relaxing. Light colors never go out of style and are perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere where you can unwind after a long day. Let's start with soft white, one of the most popular bedroom colors. White walls reflect natural light beautifully, making even a small bedroom appear more spacious. It also pairs perfectly with wooden furniture, modern decor, and minimalist interiors. Another timeless favorite is light beige. This warm neutral shade creates a cozy and welcoming environment without making the room feel dark. Beige works wonderfully with cream bedding, wooden flooring, and soft lighting, giving your master bedroom a luxurious yet comfortable feel. If you prefer a modern look, soft gray is an excellent choice. Gray brings elegance and sophistication while maintaining a calm atmosphere. It complements black accents, white furniture, and metallic decor, making it ideal for contemporary bedroom designs. For a fresh and natural vibe, sage green is becoming one of the biggest interior design trends. This soft green shade creates a peaceful environment and pairs beautifully with indoor plants, natural wood textures, and woven accessories. It's perfect for anyone who loves a relaxing, nature-inspired bedroom. Another beautiful option is pastel blue. This gentle shade reminds us of clear skies and promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. It's especially suitable for bedrooms where you want to create a peaceful retreat for better rest and sleep. If you're looking for something soft and elegant, consider light blush pink. This subtle color adds warmth without feeling too bold. Combined with white curtains, gold accents, and neutral furniture, it creates a stylish and inviting bedroom. To complete your bedroom makeover, choose light-colored curtains, soft bedding, cozy rugs, and warm LED lighting. These simple details enhance your wall colors while making the room feel brighter and more spacious. Mirrors and large windows can also help reflect natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Whether your style is modern, Scandinavian, minimalist, contemporary, or luxury, light wall colors offer endless decorating possibilities. They provide a timeless look that stays beautiful for years and make it easy to update your decor with seasonal accessories. We hope these master bedroom light color ideas inspire your next home makeover. Let us know in the comments which color you would choose for your dream bedroom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bedroom design ideas, home decor inspiration, and the latest interior design trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.